What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video for you guys. Today I have something special. We'll be talking about an art project called Origyn Foundation. So I hope that you will like the video, but just before we start, as always guys, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. With that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. A really interesting project on our cards today, so I hope that you will watch the video till the end. I have a bunch of pages pulled up to show you everything, so yeah, I hope that you will basically like it. So first of all, I have some points written down which I want to bring to you. So we will be talking about Origyn Mint certificates of authenticity, which are pretty interesting, and here we have an article about it. Also for verticals and impossible things marketplace, and possibly about token listing. So it's all about time, Origyn and Watchbox to bring certificates of authenticity to clients around the world. When it comes to luxury timepieces, there is nothing more important than authenticity. Being one of one matters, being part of the history and tradition of the watchmaking craft matters, being traceable and transparent for consumers matters. And you guys know that I'm personally into watches, and some of you guys are also into them, and well, you know that those can be worth millions of dollars, right? And the counterfeit market is also really huge here. So let's see what Origyn does right there. So if the object is not real, a host of issues including harmful social, environmental and economic consequences also become very real. Yet the switch watch industry alone loses 2 billion Swiss francs each year to counterfeiting, amounting to tens of millions of counterfeit watches changing hands. In France, over 37% of consumers have purchased counterfeit products without even realizing it. Both the collectors and the sellers need better attribution of accuracy in the market. So Origyn Foundation will now partner with Watchbox to issue utility NFTs for luxury timepieces. These NFTs will serve as a certificate of authenticity and provenance, which are designed to make the trading of ownership faster, safer and more secure. Watchbox has been a trusted destination for authentic collectible watches for many years now. Origyn biometric technology will provide an additional layer of protection, augmenting the authentication and certification process while encrypting all of the data and the fingerprint of the watch in a utility NFT. This will also provide a host of new services and offerings to clients only enabled through blockchain technology. So this is really huge collaboration here, but let's have a look at the Origyn's website itself. Let's have a look at the Origyn's website itself, and let me tell you what they are all about. There is actually many sectors that they work in. So there is Origyn Art, Origyn Collectibles, Origyn Digital Media and Luxury. I will try my best to talk at least a little bit about each one of them. So they bring a new dimension to the NFT space, bridging the physical and digital gap, solving industry solutions, enabling trust and guaranteeing authenticity. They bring NFTs to life with an object's own biometry, and they celebrate and protect creativity. They also have their own token, OGY. The OGY is the native token of Origyn Foundation, which provides the utility of access to the platform where Origyn certificates are minted, referenced and transacted. OGY is necessary to create and transact certificates of authenticity and the core service of the platform, and tokens are also required to vote in the governance, so you can also participate in the governance. They are based out of Switzerland, so the home to luxury timepieces. And yeah, they operate as a unified ecosystem throughout major technology and blockchain hubs in Europe, Asia and the United States, so they are truly international when it comes to that. You might ask, why a foundation? So well, they have creators, brands, value providers and artists that evoke a strong image. Their independence is essential, their influence is unique, and a foundation structure increases transparency, removes the possibility of the organization being bought or merged, and eliminates the dynamic of a single controlling entity. And the true owner of a foundation is its purpose, which ultimately empowers greater independence and influence for their industry partners. So that's what it is all about. So Origyn Art, as you guys can see, is a decentralized community for the fine art market on the blockchain. We mint digital certificates of authenticity via non-fungible token, also known as NFT, also referred to as a digital twin, and establish an irrefutable connection between physical works of art and their digital counterparts. Our mission is to become the global standard in tracking artwork provenance and certifying authenticity, while also unlocking the power of our marketplace to bring a new dimension of liquidity and co-ownership of the art world. And if you think about this project is really big. It has an actual utility, huge utility in the industry, you know, that is, you know, the industry that has so much money in it, that counterfeit products can really cause a lot of losses. And you know, even the statistics that are speaking for themselves, that we were able to see in the article, 37% of French people bought counterfeit product without, this is worth mentioning, okay, without being aware that the product was counterfeit, okay, because obviously you can buy something knowing that, which is still not cool, because you make the brand, the original brand, lose money, and this is also illegal. However, this 37% of people, just French people, they did that without knowing it, which is scary, because it shows you, right? It shows you how easy it is to trick someone into believing that specific, I don't know, like a specific item, it could be art, it could be clothing, it could be watch, whatever, right? That is authentic, where it isn't, okay? So Origyn is here to solve this problem. Their foundation is here to solve this problem. They also have this OGY token, which is pretty interesting, and the Internet Computer section. Origyn runs on the Internet Computer known as IC, developed by the Origyn Foundation. The IC is a revolutionary decentralized global compute platform leveraged to mint, maintain, and transfer digital twins. Advanced cryptography and decentralized technology make the protocol tamper-proof and efficiently scalable. Alrighty then. Governance by the industry, obviously. The foundation unites industry leaders from art, luxury, media, entertainment, sports, and more with token holders to govern our industry verticals. So, you know, you can actively participate in the foundation by being the holder, because then you can access the governance, right? Voting power is the primary governance mechanism of Origyn, determining the adoption of proposals and key operational functions within each vertical. You also have all the informations here in the resources. Then we have the latest, some of articles, informations overall, social medias as well. If you want, you can go ahead and check them out. So you may ask how they are also, you know, different from other projects. Well, they are highly different, let me tell you that. So the difference comes down to the NFTs, right? They utilize intelligent technologies and advanced image capture techniques to mint digital twins of physical objects and create NFT certificates of authenticity that are guaranteed globally. So, you know, this is really something highly unique, okay? If you think about it, this is something highly unique, and the fact that they are implementing this, to me, is mind-blowing. And well, you can read a lot about this on their Medium, because they are posting quite a lot on their Medium regarding, you know, regarding their project, right? Their use cases and all of that. So, for example, let's have a look at this article, okay? Why Origyn NFTs are built to empower creators. And then they will explain you everything in detail, how it is good for creators, okay? How it will help everyone. So yeah, it has the utility, it has the potential, right? So what we have here, Origyn not only wants to preserve those creation on the blockchain, but to empower creators to continue creating. The first part of that statement is baked into the technology of our digital twin NFTs. For the first time in the history, both physical and digitally native items can be preserved by storing their biometric information and provenance on the blockchain with true utility. Origyn NFTs are built to last for generations and beyond, providing security to the creators. Alright, and you also have this whole infographic here showing you how they are better and how the blockchain looks like, etc, etc. We also have the team here, which is fully transparent, of course. You guys already know, but we will have a look at them, I guess, in the about section, if I'm right, exactly. So here we have the founding partners, fully transparent. The guys here have a lot of experience in the industry, in the art industry, in the blockchain industry, in the luxury industries, and you can even see what they are all into. Marketing, like, you have people from every single industry that you want to have in your project, and this is great because it shows you that they are a highly dedicated team, and they will do everything to lead this project to a success and to bring this utility to the masses, okay? And that's what we want at the end of the day. What else do I have here? I have pulled up some cool articles. For example, this one, NFTs for Good, Premier Event Auction for UEFA, Foundation for Children. So they are also working in the charity aspects, which you guys know that I always appreciate. It's nice to see that projects are helping those that are in need. So just wanted to point that out. And then Originator Spotlight with Dwayne Dunham. And you can also go ahead and check out all the info regarding the event. So they are doing a lot. Great marketing as well. Everything that you want to see is probably here. So now let's maybe talk about some sectors that they work in, and we can start what do we start with? Let's actually start with collectibles, okay? Then we're gonna move into the digital media and luxury. So we have collectibles, guys. So Origyn Collectibles is a revolutionary platform designed to empower individuals with shared passions to buy, sell, trade, and experience collectors' items on the blockchain. They reward and celebrate creativity by tokenizing certificates of ownerships that verify the uniqueness and authenticity of physical collectibles. And you can read more about this on the website, on the dedicated website, which is origyn.ch/English/collectibles. Of course, I will plug every single link down below in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out by yourself. They also have art, as you guys can see, reshaping our relationship with art. So Origyn Art is a democratized community for the fine art market on the blockchain. They establish a connection between physical works of art and NFT certificates to create the ultimate marketplace experience for creators, industry professionals, collectors, and enthusiasts. So for everyone, pretty much, okay? And at Origyn Art, they create NFTs of physical art and enable co-ownership of highly desirable artworks. They take only the most sought after collectible pieces and digitally certify them for sale on an open marketplace. And you can also read all about the structure, all about the technology here, as you guys can see what are the advantages, and so on. They also work in the digital media, which is pretty cool. Comprehensive ecosystem built for media creators of all types to basically activate their social capital on the blockchain. They provide all the tooling for all forms of experimental content, artifacts and marketplaces for the world's most creative icons and their fans. So this is pretty cool for example, influencers, right? Or some big presses. In my opinion, this would work beautifully. Then we also have the Origyn Luxury, which is the first and only certification platform designed to prove the authentication and ownership of luxury goods using an object's own biometry. So no external proxies, no QR code, no barcodes, no microchips or add-ons. They use the item's unique characteristics to guarantee the authenticity of luxury watches, leather goods, fashion and fine or high jewelry items. So as I said, they are not closed to only watches, clothing, like everything that is luxury, it will be supported here. So Origyn Luxury basically provides you with a universal solution for all industry players, brands, certified pre-owned resellers, retailers, ultimately consumers, by securing an item's identity, authenticity and ownership data within a digital twin. And these NFT certificates provide unique value opportunities for each subsector of the luxury industry, from increased consumer confidence and additional revenue streams to new services for owners, and obviously also, in my opinion, establishing the trust between seller or reseller and client or customer, whatever you like to call them. Then again, you also have all the information regarding what this covers, how it works, right? Everything is explained here. And in my opinion, this is something that we really need, especially in the current state where, let's face it, right? There is a lot of counterfeit products being made every single day in many countries, okay? In many countries. European countries, developed countries. I mean, this is a big problem that we want to solve, and this is a problem that Origyn also wants to solve, so let's support them along the way. And if you guys will decide to do so, you can go ahead and join their Discord, join their Twitter, so you don't miss any update. And yeah, as you can see, they are also sponsoring some events, supporting charities. They are really big about what they are doing. And you can see all the information on their Twitter pretty much. So guys, if you'll be interested in checking them out, I'm linking everything down below as always. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate you tuning in, and I hope that you enjoyed. See you guys in the next videos coming out soon.